because again, you're essentially acting as the thumbs up between the business sometimes and the technical, whether it be security, whether it be developers, whether it be even your stakeholders for a particular project. What they want and what they can get are often not the same, as is the same for budgetary constraints or anything like that. To me, having a technical proficiency about you as a project manager, program manager, and any of those sorts only allows you to better do your job, because essentially, just as it is with life, when you tell somebody no, it's like having kids. When you tell them no, the next question typically is why. So you have
Yeah.
to know the why behind whether you're green lighting something or whether you're putting a stop to something. If you got to limit something, restrict things. So having a background or a knowledge base that's set in security, namely being one of them, and then obviously based on whatever area you're in. Myself, I work for the government, so a lot of it is what policy is has come down from essentially the White House, what has been made government policy, whether that's vendor specific if we're talking about risk, whether that's certain policy and procedure as far as accessibility is concerned. A lot of government websites have to have certain standards that they apply to, because they're meant to be accessible to people that are deaf potentially or blind or have all these different limitations and whatnot. And then accessibility obviously is a big deal, because now again you're working with stakeholders that often want things fast, but a lot of times security and getting security right will put a little bit of a hiccup in that kind of stuff, because now you're connecting to a system that more than likely connects to a huge tree of other stuff behind the scenes, other agencies, other vendors potentially, and the ability to cordon that off, to section that off, to make sure that those permissions are correct, to make sure that that accessibility is correct, all that stuff is done right, can be time consuming to get it right and make sure that it's done right the first time around. So again, just having a knowledge base of that kind of stuff going in just allows you to, I think, better do your job on the front end, as opposed to having to then backtrack and correct things on the back end.
Hey,
Because then
Larry,
that